All right, so we have USD JPY here. I'm going to draw my chart out and show you guys how I set my charts up. So first we're going to start with our support on the 1 hour. Next we're going to go with our resistance on the 1 hour. And then we're going to look for some sort of break of structure. Now, we do have a bit of a channel showing a downtrend here. I'd consider this a downtrend. We have lower highs and lower lows. I'll show you what that means here. So we have lower lows right here. Our lows are lower and our highs are also lower, meaning we have a downtrend. So now that we've established the downtrend, we can also establish if there is a break of structure. Here's a break of structure right here. It goes above the channel line here, and it's retesting along with using the EMA ribbons as the support. So what we're going to look to do is enter in on longs here. Before we do that, what we are going to do is check our other time frames. So we're going to look at the 4 hour and see if it's bullish or bearish. To me, that is a bit of a bearish candle. So on the 4 hour, we may need to extend this out and it to be in the channel. Now, if we go back to the 1 hour, it's above the channel. So now we have a bit of a decision to make. It does not agree on both time frames, on the 4 and the 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. These are the three main time frames that I use. The 15-minute does show break of structure. Again, still looking bearish though. We don't typically want to trade against the trend. So back to the 1 hour here. We've established that we thought that this was the break of structure. It is in fact not, because of what the 4 hour shows us. So hopping back to the 4 hour, we can see that this is actually extremely bearish, and we're most likely going to fill this wick. So when we have bottom wicks like this, you typically see it come up to about halfway in the previous bearish candle and then start to move downward. We can also take a look at our technicals on here. It's pretty neutral. Your 4 hour, your 2 hour, your 1 hour, your 30 minutes. You're getting neutral buys and sells. So you're getting kind of both sides of the spectrum here with your summary, your moving averages, your oscillators. But just in terms of strictly technical analysis and candlestick charts, this looks like we're still in a downtrend on the 4 hour. So what we'd look to do is enter a sell once we see this candle flip bearish, or if you'd like to get an early entry, and you certainly could, but we do still have a bullish candle. We'd ideally want to see a bearish close to see this continue downward. That would be more of a confirmation that I'd like to see. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be putting more videos out like this, just educational on how I draw up my charts and when I get in on trades and why. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe.